Welcome back to Cars Updates, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford Everest, a vehicle that's making waves in the SUV market. With its robust design, advanced tech, and impressive performance, the Everest is aimed at adventure seekers and everyday drivers alike. Let's explore what makes this SUV stand out. Design. From the moment you set eyes on the Everest, it's clear that this SUV is built for both function and style. Its bold grille and muscular stance give it an aggressive presence on the road. The sleek lines and aerodynamic shape not only look good but also help with fuel efficiency. Available in a variety of eye-catching colors, the Everest appeals to a broad range of tastes, ensuring you'll turn heads wherever you go. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Ford Everest, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin designed for both driver and passengers. High-quality materials and a modern layout create an inviting atmosphere. The Everest offers generous legroom and cargo space, making it perfect for long road trips or everyday errands. The latest in infotainment technology is at your fingertips, with multiple USB ports, a premium sound system, and an advanced climate control system that keeps everyone comfortable. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Ford Everest doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful turbocharged engine, it delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged terrains. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in various conditions, giving you confidence in any adventure. Plus, with impressive towing capacity, you can bring along your toys, whether that's a boat, trailer, or anything in between. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates from Cars Updates. What do you think of the new Everest? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep driving and stay curious.